Hey grade 7, welcome to another edition of Mr. V Teaches Math. And today, folks, what we're going to be doing is we're going to start looking at solving some actual equations, looking at reading some sentences or looking at some math sentences and trying to figure out what something equals or if something is reasonable or not. And so we're going to be translating statements into algebraic expressions, and we're going to then evaluate the expressions. So, quick problem. Let's imagine for a second that it costs $3 an hour to rent a scooter, plus a flat rate of $8 for gas. So the question then that we need to think about is how much does it cost to rent the scooter then for 7 hours, and then by extension to use a variable as well. And so what we're going to do, what I thought we would do is we're just put the information into a table of values, and what we'll do for that is we can see that by multiplying the number of hours by 3 and then adding 8, we can calculate how much it costs to rent the scooter for 7 hours. Okay, so what we have here is how much it costs. Like if you rent it for 1 hour, you multiply that by 3 and then add 8, which means that 1 hour costs $11. And I've worked through all the different numbers of hours so that when you get down to 7 hours, we know it's going to cost us $29. What I have here in red, this is kind of the important part. This is what we're going to be thinking about, is we can figure out what's called the algebraic expression, and we've talked about what that is. We can figure out the algebraic expression for an unknown amount of hours, or for n number of hours. And so if you have this variable, which is n, you can multiply that by 3 and still add 8, and then what you end up with is this algebraic expression of 3n plus 8, which is the same thing as saying 3 times n plus 8. Okay, and that's for any number of hours. So say you want to rent it for a couple of days, and you rent it, so that's the algebraic expression that you use. And so that's very quickly how you would do this type of stuff. And then as you look at the practice, you're going to be asked things like to solve each question. And they're pretty straightforward. It's like a variable plus a number equals another number, a variable minus a number equals another number, a variable divided by a number, or a variable times a number. And they're pretty straightforward. So just trying to ease you guys into solving algebraic expressions, and so we'll carry on the next video. Okay, so have a great day, folks.